everyone, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing well and learning English every day. So here in this video I'm going to share with you that why I started 30-day English speaking challenge and what was the reason behind it. So there was actually so many reasons, but here I'm going to discuss only 2 and 3 reasons. So before starting my 30-day English speaking challenge, I felt that my vocabulary is becoming very limited. So that is why means I knew so many words, but I was unable to use that word while speaking. Means I was not struggling very much, but yeah, I was struggling. And yeah, I would see very simple words and felt familiar with them, but when it comes to speak, I get stuck and I couldn't remember that word immediately. Yeah, so I was struggling here very much. So that is why I started this 30-day English speaking challenge. And speaking matters a lot, especially when you are learning English. So there are so many students who knows English very well, but when it comes to speak, they get stuck. So that is why speaking matters a lot, especially when you do not have atmosphere. So speaking is very important to all of us. And another reason was fluency, means I was not satisfied with the way I spoke English. Right now I'm also not, but I'm better than before, because now these videos are helping me very much to improve my fluency. And if you're someone who also want to improve your English, who also want to improve your spoken English, so you guys also start speaking English. This will be really helpful to all of you also. So here you must start speaking, because if you do not have atmosphere, so then it becomes very important. There it was like I was unable to express my thoughts. I used to get stuck, hesitate, so many reasons. So that is why I started this challenge, and I felt that regular practice is required here. So that is why I started this 30-day English speaking challenge. And before starting this challenge, I felt that I was nervous, making mistake, hesitate, and struggle with the words for speaking. Yeah, there were so many reasons. In spite of these all the reasons, I started speaking English because I wanted to speak English. I wanted to improve my fluency very much. So that is why I started speaking English through these videos, and these videos are really helping me to improve my fluency. And here I'm making very simple videos, means I'm making videos about my hobby, about myself, about my school, about my surroundings, my observations, sometimes a story, and so many things. So here these are the videos that I'm making only for practicing purpose. Yeah, only practicing purpose. And after completing my 30-day English speaking challenge, I will definitely try to make some videos that are valuable, means about some methods, grammar, and some things that help me to speak this much English. So I will definitely try to make these kind of videos. And if you are also someone who are learning this language, so here these videos will help you to improve your listening skills, and also help you to improve your vocabulary, enhance your vocabulary, because this is important to speak English, right? If you're someone who is already fluent in English, then this video is not useful for you. But if you enjoy someone's means learning journey, so you can enjoy these videos, and yeah, you are always welcome here to watch these videos. Here I'm very close to complete my 30-day English speaking challenge. Yeah, and here it's 23 days of my 30-day English speaking challenge, and I'm very close to complete this task. And after completing this task, I will definitely make some videos that will be helpful to improve something, means how to improve English, and something else about English. So I will definitely make this kind of content, and so stay connected with this channel, because I'm very close to complete this task. So okay, I have finished. Like now I will be back with my day 24 of my English learning journey. Till then, bye bye.